What is up, folks? It's Shady Tech, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and an overview of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. As you can see, this is the box, the detail box that it comes. Pretty slim kind of box, as we might expect what's inside there as usual in 2021, unfortunately, or fortunately, depends on which size you're on. You're more on the environmentalist kind of side, or gadgets kind of side, if you know what I mean. Let's see around the box here, nothing much. At the back, it's just like typical blackish color with some specification here. And apparently this particular model is for Southeast Asia SIM card only. So I guess it's nowadays the region is depending on where you are, so the SIM card might or might not work. Alright, so right away you'll be presented with the box itself. I think it's the other way around, I guess. Well, anyway, it's the same anyway. So yeah, got a little bit of lever here for you to pull it out. And wow, it's in a phantom black. As you can see that it's black, but not like really black. It's more like a kind of grayish, dark grayish kind of black here, and this is the screen itself. So I'm just gonna put it aside here first, and let's see what else in the box. Apparently there's not much to it, unfortunately. So this is the HDMI card. Put it aside. Don't want to lose it, and well, this box. So to put it aside first, also, and here is the a really minimalistic as you can go in 2021. So we got the ejection tool, and okay, some specifications, notes here, warranty card, and so on, cashback rewards, and so on. But your typical stuff in it. For this one, you have the one in Chinese and also in English. Alright, so what else? That's it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got typical USB-C to USB-C cable here. I believe this is the typical 1 meter long cable. That's what it comes with, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Unfortunately, you can't even pull this box out. I think you can. Oh, you can. Anyway, there's nothing else there, so let's quickly see the glorious of Fold 3 5G. So this is the front. One piece of a big from front to the back of the protection here. And here you go, the glorious front flip fold, whatever you can call it. And the back, you got a 3 camera here. I believe it's a 12 megapixel. As you can see, a single LED flashlight, and is that IMEI? Oh, okay. So there's no Samsung logo or anything like that, but there's a IMEI card at the bottom for each of its own products. IMEI. So at the bottom we got the speaker grill here, and also microphone and the USB port. On the right side we got power button. Let me just turn it on for the first time. Let's see if there's any juice at all. Yes, there is. They boot it up, and of course the volume up and down button, and this also has a fingerprint scanner, and on top also you got a couple of speaker grill here. That might be. So in the box I got about 70% of juice, which is good. Welcome. First time, close it up. Let's see. It's the satisfying sound of it closing in. Alright, so on the left side, apparently you got a bit of a sticker here or so to cover these hinges here. As you can see there's a Samsung logo in the middle. It's black color, but it's also because there's a piece of protection, a piece of cover here, and also at the front and also the back. So the weight I do definitely feel some weight on it, but not that much definitely. Oh, you can see that the SIM card tray is on the left side of the device. Alright, anyway, so for welcome, when you close it, it doesn't show up at the front. So I think for the first time you have to set it up with a big screen in the middle. Alright, so apparently you can. So this is the front screen with everything skip ahead, even without the Wi-Fi or anything like that. Cancel. So yeah, just want to show you guys how it looks like. So you can directly go to a SIM card manager and try to scan if there's any SIM card available or not. Unfortunately, I haven't put any SIM card on it. So I'm gonna do in different kind of videos here, but for this unboxing, I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So once again, I'm gonna close it up. Still not showing. Oh, it's showing now. Yeah, it is showing now. Double tap the clock to view settings and anything else like that. Oh, okay. So when you swipe from the right, you can see that dynamic lock screen. You can set up different kind of wallpaper here. Depends on what kind you like. Just go ahead with okay. You have to use a Wi-Fi for this thing. I think I'm not gonna do that for now, but let's see. Close up, it looks like so, with four layers of icon here down below and also 4 on here. But when you open it up, it's gonna show 6 different kind here and also 6 down below here. And you swipe it out, there's where you got the default apps. What is installed here, you can see that some of it is like Samsung Go, Global Go, Samsung Free, Samsung this and that, and also Spotify and Netflix pre-installed, Facebook and Samsung apps. There's a lot of them here: AR Zone, Samsung Pay, Galaxy Wearable, Samsung Health, and so on. Google, typical one. Microsoft also typical one. So anyway, I'm just gonna quickly go to the camera and let's see. So right away for camera setup, it's something like so. It looks pretty good, pretty decent, I would say. If you close with the camera still on, if you close it, it's not gonna show anything. But when you open it, one of it see your shot straight away. So that's how it is if you kind of starting to flip your camera like so. Half of the screen is something like that, and the other half is where you can set out all the screen here and see your shots right away. Okay, so this some kind of the telephotos is gonna show up here, and you can zoom in here right away. Pretty good, pretty nifty. And so here I am. This is my palm. This is my hand. I have a pretty typical size, not that big kind of hand here, and it's just a little bit bigger with my hand all over the screen here. So you can still hold a Fold 3, still pretty good with just one hand. Comfortably here, something like that here also, not a problem. Alright, so there you have it. This is just a quick unboxing overview. I wouldn't even say this is an overview, it's just unboxing of Foldable 3, Samsung Z Fold 3. And I'm gonna do more testing on this device definitely. And for now, this is Shady Tech. Until next video to come, see you soon.